Welcome to day 14 of the 30-day countdown towards the Further Maths GCSE. So yesterday's question is a completing square question, but one where we've got a value in front, a coefficient of 2 in front of our x squared. So the first thing I'm going to do with a question like this is take 2 out as a factor of my x terms. Now I'm going to use squared brackets to do this to make it different to my completing the square form that I'm going to do in a minute. So 2 multiplied by x squared multiplied by 4x there, and I'm going to keep the plus 5 outside of the brackets. So the next thing to do is to do my normal completing the square on the bit in the inside. So I'm going to half the value in front of the x, put it in squared brackets, and then what I notice is this squared bracket here is going to give me a 2 squared that I don't want. So I'm going to have to subtract 2 squared. And 2 squared is 4, so I'm going to subtract 4. So the next thing I'm going to do is get rid of these squared brackets. Our completing the square form doesn't have those squared brackets in, so we're going to expand. So we're going to do 2 times the bracket, so we'll just put it out front. And we're going to do 2 times minus 4, which is minus 8. And the plus 5 just drops down. And the final thing we need to do is to tidy up our minus 8 and plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. And we've got it in the form we want. So A would be 2. B would be positive 2 as well. And C would be minus 3. So today's question is expanding 2x minus 3 all to the power of 4.